Hey, what's up? Today we're gonna go over how to draw an Among Us crewmate thinking. He's gonna have like a little thought bubble. Just another of the giant collection of Among Us drawings on this channel. That's kind of when my channel blew up, was during the Among Us craze. But anyways, I'm gonna keep doing it, and this is it. Let's jump right into the lesson. All right, so let's kind of jump into this crewmate. First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw a curved line over here above the eye, like basically the top of his viewport. I'm gonna go over here, curve the side, go over in the far end, curve, and I'm gonna curve underneath to kind of keep it all together. Right, so that's kind of the viewport. Gonna pull a line up right there for the forehead area. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Make this the video you subscribe in. I'm going to be posting 3 times a day. So curve for the top of the head here. And basically what happens is you're going to look on your feed, right on your YouTube feed, and you're just going to see like the thumbnail of the video that day, and you'll just decide then. So that's kind of the way it works. So there's no downside to subscribing. Go over here, pull down. Over here on this side, pull down. Over here on this side, curve underneath, up, underneath here, the lower body. And we're going to find the other foot. We're going to pull down, curve underneath, up over here. Going to find the backpack. It's about the level of the visor right there. Before that, I'm going to go into the visor and I'm going to draw a line through it to kind of give it that shine effect, and maybe like a little circle over here. Just give it that quick shine look to give it just kind of more, detail. Since these guys are so simple, it's hard to give the crewmates detail sometimes. Up, out over here. I'm going to pull down over here for the backpack. And it's going to curve in kind of around the level of the lower waist. Over here on this side, we're going to draw him thinking now, right? That's kind of the action we're doing. He's mostly just thinking. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to go, boom, create like a thought bubble. Curve, curve, curve here. Keep it going, almost like you're drawing like a flower or something. Curve over here, curve. Right there. And that could just be like a cloud next to him, but you need to draw a smaller one, right? Looks like a popcorn ball. And maybe even one more over here. Popcorn ball as well. You want to give him, something to think about. And you can draw anything you want in that, so it's really up to you what you want to do with it. I'm going to do, let me see what I can put in there. I'm going to go over here and draw a heart. But you can put anything you want in that thought bubble. Something I want you to focus on and really think about is I want you to kind of try to memorize the way you draw these guys. That's the point of a lot of these. I'm going to draw a thicker line, by the way, around the outside section of this guy just to make him more pronounced. But that's pretty much it, by the way. If you want to donate to the channel, please do so. Everything, there's a PayPal below. Every drop of of money, whatever that you give, will go toward the channel. All of it, to markers, because I'm using these constantly. I use like 100 of these a month or something like that. Constantly replacing these. Paper, editing equipment, different graphics I like to buy for the channel. Constantly. So if you ever like the video enough to, let's say, quote unquote, buy me a coffee, right? This is that opportunity. Go over there and donate, whatever a coffee would cost, like $5 or something like that. It all goes back into the channel, and I really appreciate anybody that gives anything, even if it's $1. So I want to thank you for that. Alrighty. Curve over here. And that's mostly it. If you wanted to do something additional, you could probably do something like throwing a line below here for the ground, although he's like floating off the ground there a little bit, so you can maybe draw like this, right? More of a 3D ground, like he's kind of like Charlie Brown or something like that. You're kind of zigzagging this, or you can make it a solid shape, but that will definitely get through the that'll get the message across, you know, pretty clear. So, but yeah, really quick one. Thank you so much. Don't forget to say hi to me in the comment section. Anything you comment, I will reply. It's a slow season, you know, the season picks up in summer, but I'm very reachable right now. So say hi to me and I'll reply to every single comment, okay? Talk to you later, and I will see you very soon. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.